Hey y'all, okay, so we're back with another one, and this one is a straight hair wig like y'all like. Y'all know I can't stand this straight hair because it don't last, but I don't do it for myself, I do it for you. So we have a lace front wig that's going to be straight. We had to shift it to the side, so if you want to stay tuned to see how we got this look, keep it locked.
I know you don't mean it. You just need some TLC, THC, get Hennessy, yeah that's me. Don't be afraid to speak your mind. Let me know, let me know.
Hey y'all, okay, so today we have Cranberry Hair is sponsoring this video, so shout out to Cranberry Hair for sponsoring this video. The unit that they sent us, I had to write it down because I could not remember the details, but it is a 5x5 silky straight pre-plucked virgin hair HD lace closure, 24 inches with 180% density. So let me go ahead and show you. It's another straight unit. Y'all love these straight units. Y'all know I hate straight hair, but this one we have a small space here. We have 2 combs in the front, one at the nape of the neck with adjustable straps. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it started with the install and bring y'all along the way. Here we go.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be. You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cat, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cat, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. to give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later, clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear. Taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get.
Hey girl. Okay, so thank you so much for making it all the way to the end of the video. This video again is being brought to you by Cranberry Hair. I absolutely love this straight unit. Okay, I don't like straight hair, but if I'm gonna wear it, this is how I want it to look. It looks very good. It's very soft. The cuticles are not frizzy at all. I didn't have any shedding, like no shedding at all. The only thing with this is that this was a ready-made middle part, so we had to shift it to the side to get my side part. But other than that, I absolutely love it. Nidra, say hey. Nidra did a really, really good job as usual, and I love it, love it, love it, love it. So let me know down below in the comment section if you like it, if you don't like it, what type of hair you want to see next. But thank you so much to Cranberry Hair for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? Hello, let me know. See ya.
I wanna ride the